day, people.
And if we can kill a dozen of them in a day.
First one for the day. Up on the hill, my people. Nah, chop off man, well. Yes, my peeps, welcome back to the channel. Be cheap on the chub hunting, people. Yeah, man. I feel so today I gonna be the lucky day, you know, people. You know, we don't have much luck on day 1 and day 2, so we out for day 3 now, people. And yeah, man, it's a day look blooming, people. The day look bright and sunny. Yeah, man. The thing about it, I cannot see Explore Jamaica TV as well yet. It's because we got 2 different directions for go look bait. Me go look the morass, him going down the road go look the soldier crab. So we're supposed to meet up here, so but him not reach as yet. So the here I wait for him, people. So in the meantime, people, just go and like, share, you know, leave a comment. You see it, people. If you never subscribe, just subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, people. So nice fishing there, epic. So people, just stay tuned. Yeah, then abroad, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. I love my peeps. Explore forward, people. We wall something. Want to see the size, you know. Yeah, man, see the people.
Down to there, brother. I like a limb, they lit me a while ago, you know. Yeah, man, nice to go on, man. Who are they out there, man?
Those are the ones I can't find them.
Yeah, that's the
Looking good.
One for the day, people.
And if we can kill a dozen of them in a day.
First one for the day.
Yeah, man.
See him there. Yeah, man, as they done forward, you know.
That one, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, with them now. Play with them.
Yeah, man, line a send out. Back of there today. You know? One chop so far. You know? Them are we are on from where they are, you know, people. As you know, you know. Be a cheap on it. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man, people, out there, man. We don't have no luck so far still, you know, but you know, from Explore Jamaica for coming now, we are going to find them, you know. You just find a location and we try, you see me? You get me? Yeah, man, in come in and catch one already. You get what I say? So, as I say, I feel that today is going to be the best day out, you see it? Yeah, man. Be cheap on the hunting, you know. So you just go and stay tuned and big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, see the Explorer teach me how to tie up the line, you know, people. He showed me one time already, but I don't really understand it. So yeah, man, he must show me how to
See the part there now.
the part down there, so you see my
Chala part, sinker, you see. The shorter part, people. You see. So you see, some people put the hook on the taller part and the sinker on the shorter part. But when you do handline fish, you know, it's harder for your face. So when the fish pick it, if you hook them here, so the fish pick it, you're not going to feel it till him run with it. But when it's shorter and the sinker down here, so as in pick it, you feel it because you're going to feel it in the line, you see it. So you see, one up. water, like you're not going to put no sinker, you're not going to make it too long. This good.
Alright, you see that people?
Like about 1 3 times where you know say.
Well tight.
Well tight, you see. That's the hook now, put on the hook on him now.
People. Put on my hook, people, and bait up. Try get 2 of them parrot there. You see it, my peeps? Try get 2 of them parrot there. My bunting now go so good so far. You see me? But my feel say them soon pass back, so yeah man, just keep it locked to the channel, people. Yeah man. Burger. Go on for my boss. Nothing not go on at all. I put them down out there. Nah, go until you get a 2 or 3, you know. Anyway, then get to where them fish pot get trash. Never see some carry the line. You know people, never see some carry the line. That's why you see me set up the one they look wild. Set up the one at the right way too, you know. See if me catch way. See if me catch way explore Jamaica just teach me, you see me? So me I try it you know, you see me? Parrot. Right. Parrot is easy enough people. Yeah man. What is butter?
What's up? Slimy parrot.
Slimy parrot.
That's a nice stuff.
Please get up the people.
Everybody's getting wicked, man. Everybody's getting wicked. I know it's busy in that blue.
That's a can if you want me to say that.
Lionfish. Lion.
Oh man! What's that the jump line for?
We're going to catch them. Yeah, this juke here, if this juke have problem.
2 chop. Yeah man. Nah, no luck so far, but oh, there's something must go on, you know. I like big soldier crab, you know. Like you look on them, just fit on the hook, you know. Bust them in a 2. See bagger down there. Right there. Then a swing out line. Eight pound chop. I come up. Chop. So people, time to send him out now, you know. Send him out to sea. Well bait up. Send it out to sea now, peeps. Yeah. See what we can catch now, peeps. Breeze out here enough. Oh, nothing. Whoa, no sir. Boy, jaggy and running, man. And that walk one. I'll go catch him in a peeps. How was that? In there on the line long time, you know? People, it's a disgrace. My first catcher. See me people, first catch, you know. Yeah man. First catch that. Nah, dash him was still. Long time him dip on it and a trick me in a peeps. You see me? Jack! Yep, yep, yep!
Brooks!
Right, stop! I can't buy Davey, man. There's some big one down there. Stuck on stone, you know, but in depth on him, I feel it, you know. I feel it. In depth on him, see him man, jump off now. Feeling come off. No man, he like in depth on it. Gone man. We have take it. Outside. People. Gone. Big enough box. Brother. Can't believe star. Can't believe. And he pull her now, yeah? Can't believe people in gone! In gone! Eh? No, boss. Which one? Oh, that hook here and take up, you know. See, Ben? Why? Yo! Jaja know I want to cry! Yo, in the pan here when he stuck on the stone, you know? Not even a piece of steel in a circle, you know? We have moved to a different location, you know? Yeah man. See folks and gone. Midday I put some grass on my line because boy that one where I just miss. Mighty people, mighty. Powerful. So but I want to find back one like that. You know? Yeah. Long walk, you know, people. We are going way down so. Want to see that place there. like a little building down in one slope. Yeah man, we are down there so we are go. You get me? Up on the hill, my people. No, I go. Climb. They're on top you know, my peeps. With this one? Yeah, madman. Yeah. Test them on the chub wallis. Nah, hesitate in a peeps. Out there. As me forward. Out there. People, yeah, where man said that's on here. Good and wool.
The reason why they call it
See them spot that.
laugh them low.
Look at our people. Cause I two up against them, we can't do.
Get an extra again.
Father of Oaks, I can't tell it's a parrot that you know. A pilot you know. Long time we don't see one.
I tried that here, you know.
And in turn side here, and they might come in. Pilot. One left a pilot. Pilot in a boat.
I don't know the father. God, man.
Yeah man, Father Vokes, hold something in the people. left is a parrot. You know?
On left is a pilot.
See him, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Oh, parrot. Yeah, man. Nah, chop off, man. Well,
Bad.
I want to go and look wild.
It's a cool out to come fish.
No, I think I each man some of you.
Jojo, no.
Ah, the one's tired. You see that pretty boy?
What? Where the fish jump off? I don't ever see when they jump off. Grab a chub, you know?
Soldier can catch on, you know?
Not to grab.
I'm saying I've hold it, it's the only for me to have.
Big grab them up. Section chub that PD beef.
Try some grass down there now. See what go on.
Yeah, man, people. Catch 3 days, you know? See it there? No tree bad enough, people. To them, I don't really catch now. Only if I clip phone, but see the fish them, yeah, man. Nice, lovely chub of them we half of from where they. From where they when I pass 1 day and go 4 in a pear tree. 1, 2. See the people. So 3 today again. Like yesterday. Yesterday? No, day before yesterday. Yes, 3 again like last time I come. So tomorrow are the last day of the moon, you know, people. So we are trying to come out early tomorrow and see for the time in a beat work away from a different location to a next location. But see the catcher, people, not bad, not bad. I'm not lie. Yeah, man. I remember people are undo it, you know. You know? So, yeah, forgive me local what I call it now? Ratings, you know? Catch of the day, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. Day 3 end abruptly, you know. Very quick, you know. But I don't know. I don't catch a whole heap of clip to them. They too focus on the fishing. That's what I say. Yeah, man, because we have 1 more day in the chub hunting, so did really want to find them today. You get me? So see it there again, people. You get me? Yeah, man. I will chuck to come out after that. See. Explore them. See me? So, people. Thanks for watching the video. Don't know? Yeah, man. Thanks for watching the video. Yard and abroad. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah. Just know the right thing, people, and blessings are here. Yeah, man. Until next time. One love. Oh, God bless, no man curse. You know?